Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about what is mole fraction and what is mass fraction. Although there is very small difference between mole fraction and mass fraction, which we are going to discuss in this section. So firstly, we are discussing about what is the mole fraction. As the name suggests, mole fraction is defined as the number of moles of component present in a solution, which can be defined as a formula by xa is equals to number of moles of a component divided by the number of moles of a component plus number of moles of b component, where xa is the mole fraction and Na plus Nb is the total moles present in the solution and Na is the number of moles of solute. Mole fraction can be easily understood by understanding this example. So in this example we have a 36 grams of hydrochloric acid which is dissolved in 100 grams of water, and we have to calculate the mole fraction of the solution. So firstly we calculate the moles of A, which can be calculated by dividing the grams of hydrochloric acid to the molecular weight of the HCl, which is 36.45, and moles of A can be calculated, which comes out to be 0.987 moles. Similarly, we can calculate the moles of water which can be calculated by dividing the mass of the water by the molecular weight of the water, and the number of moles comes out to be 3.55 moles. Now the mole fraction is calculated by using this formula and by putting the values of moles of A in numerator and moles of A plus B in denominator, and mole fraction can be calculated, which comes out to be 0.215. Here comes out to be another example in which we have to calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution which contains 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride. So firstly we can take the basis. We can assume that the total mass of the solution is 100 grams. Then mass of benzene is given in the question, which is 30 grams. So we can calculate the mass of carbon tetrachloride, which comes out to be 70 grams. Now we calculate the number of moles of benzene, which can be calculated by dividing the mass of benzene by molecular weight. Similarly, number of moles of carbon tetrachloride can be calculated. Then mole fraction is calculated easily by applying the formula, and the mole fraction comes out to be 0.458. So this is about the mole fraction. Now comes to the mass fraction. Mass fraction is defined as mass of a substance to total mass of the mixture. In mole fraction we deals with the number of moles, and in mass fraction we deal with the mass of a substance. So the formula to calculate the mass fraction is mass of component A present in total mass. Here this term is mass fraction. Now the example for mass fraction was to calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride if 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride. So what we can do, we firstly write down the mass percentage of the benzene, which is mass of benzene divided by the total mass of the solution. Here we know the mass of benzene is 22 grams and mass of carbon tetrachloride is 122 gram. By putting the values of benzene and carbon tetrachloride in the formula, we can easily calculate the mass percentage. Thank you so much.